Experiencing issues with your Tesla app recognizing your home charging setup? You're not alone. This video will walk you through troubleshooting common problems with home location, rate plan integration like time of use, and Wi-Fi connectivity. By December 2025, Tesla has made improvements, but issues still occur. We'll show you how to resolve them. The Tesla app relies on precise GPS coordinates to identify your home location for proper charging setup. GPS accuracy is crucial because it ties your vehicle's position to your account for home charging features. First, ensure location permissions are enabled for the Tesla app. Grant full location access on your device so the app can accurately track your position. Without this permission, the app cannot determine your home location. Next, park your Tesla at your home address. Open the Tesla app, navigate to the charging section, and select Set Home Location to confirm your current position. This links your home to your account for charging preferences. Keep in mind that urban areas with tall buildings or rural locations with weak GPS signals can interfere with accurate location recognition, leading to setup errors. If you experience issues, check your signal strength. If recognition fails, use the location calibration tool within the app. This allows you to manually adjust and fine-tune your home coordinates for precise setup. Lastly, confirm that your address is accurately displayed in Google Maps. This ensures the GPS data matches your actual home location, preventing any discrepancies in the setup process. Tesla integrates with utility providers for dynamic pricing like time of use plans that offer cheaper off-peak charging. Verify your utility account within the Tesla app. Open the app and go to Charging Settings to confirm your utility account is properly linked. Input your meter details accurately. Enter your meter ID and account number in the Tesla app settings, ensuring there are no errors. Grant API access. Authorize the Tesla app to connect with your utility provider systems for seamless data sharing. Ensure your rate plan in the app matches your utility's current plan. Check for seasonal changes that might cause discrepancies. Note that international users in the EU might face delays due to regional regulations when setting up rate plan integration. The Tesla app requires a stable Wi-Fi connection to handle over-the-air updates and remote commands. This ensures your vehicle stays connected and receives important features. First, ensure you're connected to a stable 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz wireless network. These frequencies provide reliable coverage for Tesla's communication protocols. In your Tesla's settings, enter the exact SSID and password for your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure there are no typos, as incorrect credentials will prevent connection. Disable VPNs and ensure your firewall isn't blocking Tesla's servers, particularly domains like tesla.com. These security measures can interfere with the app's connectivity. If you're in a rural area using satellite internet like Starlink, access the app settings and enable Tesla's Starlink-compatible mode for better stability. Before diving deeper, try these quick fixes. First, force close and restart the Tesla app on your phone. If that doesn't work, perform a soft reset of your Tesla's touchscreen by holding down both scroll wheels until the screen goes black. These simple steps often resolve temporary glitches and can re-establish the connection with your home charging setup. For advanced solutions, start by ensuring both your Tesla app and vehicle firmware are fully up to date. Tesla releases frequent updates that specifically address charging recognition issues, including fixes for location, rate plans, and connectivity problems. Next, update your vehicle's firmware directly from the touchscreen. These updates often include critical fixes for home charging integrations and API connections. If issues persist after updates, contact Tesla support directly. Their team has specialized diagnostic tools to remotely troubleshoot and resolve complex problems, including performing API resets for utility rate plan integrations. Let's examine some real-world examples that demonstrate common Tesla app charging issues and their solutions. The future of home charging involves AI-driven diagnostics and automated setup via voice commands. By 2027, expect more seamless integration. Remember to check for monthly software updates and consult Tesla's official support for the latest solutions. By staying proactive, you can ensure a smooth and cost-effective home charging experience.